this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is a long-term review, folks, so let's jump right in. Now let's compare the Note 9 against last year's Note 8. It's a bit taller. The position of the cameras are a bit different this year. Generally, I'll say the Note 9 feels much more sturdier in the hands than last year's model that had more rounded edges. Of course, this year's design makes this slab of a device feel much better in the hand. Now generally, some may say it's not much of an upgrade, so let's take a look at what's updated here. The Note 9 now rocks a 4000 mAh battery, and yes, it's a huge improvement over the 3300 mAh from last year. You'll easily get a full day of use on this device, even if you're a heavy user. The screen is slightly bigger, coming in at 6.4 inches, and of course, there's no notch. The screen is amazing, one of the best displays on a smartphone to date, great for viewing content, playing games, and pretty much anything you do on here will look wonderful. Let's talk about performance. While there is still the presence of Samsung's skin on top Android, this device is super snappy. Now I'll say this, and maybe, just maybe, Samsung is listening. Please make the Note series the main flagship device, because to me, Samsung took their time to optimize the overall experience when using this device. There's no sticking here, there's no slowing down here. Everything just flies. Let's talk about the cameras. The cameras are definitely an upgrade from last year's, and the Note 9 uses the same cameras from the S9 Plus. They added a scene optimizer in the settings to automatically adjust colors to different scenes as they shoot. But overall, this is easily an excellent camera. Last but not least, let's look at the mighty S Pen. So the S Pen got a huge upgrade this year. Yes, it can still do everything that it used to do before, but now Samsung has added Bluetooth, so it could be used as a wireless remote to snap pictures or control music or for presentation purposes. And the S Pen also charges when inserted into the Note 9. The Note series is built for power users, and this is Samsung's best one yet. The Note 9 still retains a headphone jack, stereo speakers, and it's still water and dust resistant. What else can one ask for, even given the upgrades we spoke about before? This is closely, I'll say, the perfect smartphone. Some may agree, some may disagree, but the Note 9 will definitely make a great gift this Christmas season. Even for those looking to upgrade to a newer device before the year's out, the Note 9 is worth every cent. Some may say it's a bit expensive, but with the given features, does it appeal to you as a power user? Would you see yourself using such features to make your life easier on a day-to-day basis? If so, then this is an easy buy for anyone. Okay folks, that's it for today. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bless.